matter what you say or what you do, when I'm alone I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor.
I'm not in the mood. Okay, y'all, so I'm just making sure the lighting looks good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lolomonty. If you're a return subscriber, hey. So make sure you go and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's just get straight into this video. So today, and if I look this way, I'm looking in the viewfinder, y'all. So today we are working with Beauty Forever Hair. Y'all know I love Beauty Forever Hair. They have been my tried and true for so long. Like, I actually buy their hair outside of, you know, working with them and collabing with them. But special thanks to them for sponsoring this video today. So let's just get straight into this. So they did include a couple of gifts in the package. We have the wig caps, and honestly y'all, these look a little bit more thin than they usually do, and I'm actually gonna open it. I know we don't need a wig cap for this V-Part wig, but let me find out. They're starting to get a little bit thinner. If you guys do wear frontals and stuff, the wig caps do look a little bit thinner that they're sending now, so maybe they got the memo, I'm not sure. Anyway, it comes with this little brown bonnet, comes with these lashes, with this makeup brush. So I'm assuming this makeup brush is going to work good for putting like makeup on your frontals or whatever, I'm not sure. And also, I mean, like, they sent all this stuff. This is good for like if you wear other wigs. So it also came with this wig band, assuming if you were to wear frontals and you want to you know, wrap it down so it can dry and stick and melt and all of that. This is like a melt band. I actually saw one of these on Amazon, like a pack of 4 that I was going to buy. So thank you, Beauty Forever Hair, for that. Today we are wearing a V-Part wig. So let me show you guys the wig. It is actually 24 inches and it is the Kinky Straight kind. Now, I've never ever worn Kinky Straight wigs, hair, anything, so I'm really excited about trying this out. And y'all, sorry, it still has a net on it. So this hair is 24 inches long and it is very, very thick, y'all. So this is what the hair is looking like. Super soft, very, very soft. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. The hair is very long. Here's the inside of the wig. So you've got the 2 combs up here and the 2 combs right there, and then this comb right there. And then you've got the clips on the side, which are really helpful to keep the wig on. And also this, I know I say in some of my videos, these adjustments really do help, guys. So if you haven't notice that these are adjusters in your wigs and you don't adjust them, they will help for the wig to stay on a little bit better. So I always try to clip them in to kind of like towards the middle part, just so, you know, it can keep the wig on better. So I'm gonna clip that on. So I already have my hair pretty much in place of how I'm gonna wear it with this wig. I'm really excited about these V-Part wigs. As y'all can see, it is definitely make it flat along the edge so there's no like bulkiness. So that's what it's looking like up close, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this wig, y'all. I'm going to just lift up my leave out. I did like some minimal leave out and braided my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and start clipping this first one as on this side first, and I'm gonna do it as close as I can to my actual leave out. Y'all, this looks so thick, but I feel like it looks really, really natural too. Oh, let me open all of the clips because I was like, why isn't it clipping? So today we're gonna be straightening this hair. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna get this to look super natural. Like I said, I've never used kinky straight hair, but I think this is gonna be like a vibe. So I cannot wait. So just make sure you clip it really good. And wow, that blends kind of good. I mean, it has like a crinkly look to it, so it's not blending all the way yet. Let me just get the wig on, y'all. I'm getting too excited. So when I apply the back clip, I'm gonna make sure I stretch it back enough. Okay, so I like to do one side first and then the back part clip, just so there's like no bulkiness at all. And there's like a formula to it, but it kind of isn't, because I feel like everybody's head shape is like different. So it's all about just how it fits on your head, really. Okay, I think we got it. Make sure when y'all braid your hair or you have your hair on the side, make sure it's as flat as possible. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. The wig is actually on, and that is what it's looking like. So the goal is to make it look as flat as possible. So I'm gonna go grab some clips, y'all, so I can straighten this hair out. But yeah, it looks really, really good so far. So far, so good. We're gonna go ahead and get some clips so I can straighten this hair out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed the clips. Y'all, I'm so excited about this hair. I wanted some hair like this so bad, just to see what it would look like. It is so thick, and I feel like this is gonna take a while to straighten. So I'm just gonna straighten a little bit off camera first, and then I'm gonna come back on here because I just feel like it's gonna take a while to do. So it's probably gonna take a while to do, but I'm really excited to see what this is gonna look like, so y'all can see what it looks like in its natural state. It looks really, really gorgeous, pretty, flowy. Like, I just love it. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead, straighten it off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and straighten the other side on camera and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay guys, so this is where we're at so far. This side is smooth and straightened. So as y'all can see, I was using my Chi air iron, y'all. I got this iron, this straightening iron, like in 2016. I mean, like, I got it years ago. So it's obviously doing the job, but not really doing the job, if you know what I mean. So I did want to get the Babyliss 2-inch straightener, the one that's a little bit thicker. I really want to get that straightener soon because I feel like it will straighten hair so much better. So mine straightened okay, but I'm pretty sure if you had a better straightener that was, you know, like really good quality. I'm not saying this isn't good quality, but it's pretty much on its last days, I'm sure. But yeah, so if you have one that's like really good quality, it'll be even more silky than what you're seeing now. But this hair is really nice, y'all, and I'm barely getting like any tangles, which is so surprising, because on this side, you know, it looks like it might be a little bit tangled, but it's really not. It's coming out really sleek and soft. So yeah, this hair is really nice. I'm really liking this hair. So anyway, so I'm going to straighten this side off camera, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thought. Guys, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, it is so cute. Like, this is a vibe. And Kinky Straight is always going to have a thickness look to it. So it looks really thick and straight. I did cut a little bit of the ends, y'all. Y'all are gonna see my pajama pants, but I did cut a little bit of the ends, and I'm impressed. Like, it looks so nice, and I hope you guys can see all of the hair. I'm gonna stand up again. Yes, I love this. Okay guys, so make sure you check out the links below. Make sure you give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe so you can become a Lo Baddie. Join the fam. We have fun over here. We have a new wig every week. We trying to add to the collection. I might start doing wig sales. I'm not sure. If I do start doing that, I'm gonna have to organize it and really, I don't know. Y'all let me know down below in the comments if y'all are even interested in that, because your girl got a lot of wigs that she don't wear. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. I'm sorry, I keep looking at this like it looks so good, y'all. Okay, yeah, so make sure you check it out, and see you in the next one. Bye.